Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to properly play Doom Eternal using an easy method. First, select the I'm Too Young to Die difficulty setting to ensure a more forgiving experience. Focus on upgrading your health and armor as soon as possible to increase your survivability. Remember to use your chainsaw often. It's your primary way to get crucial ammo drops from staggered enemies, keeping you in the fight longer and making combat much smoother. Mastering resource management is key to an easy playthrough. Always perform glory kills on staggered enemies to replenish your health, which is vital for staying alive. Utilize your Flame Belch ability to set enemies on fire, causing them to drop armor shards that will protect you from damage. Don't forget to cycle through your weapon arsenal. This helps conserve ammo for your more powerful guns when you truly need them. Constant movement is your best defense in Doom Eternal. Never stand still. Always be dashing, jumping, and strafing to avoid incoming enemy fire. Learn to identify and exploit enemy weak points, like the Cacodman's mouth or the Mancubus's arm cannons, to deal massive damage quickly. Your dash ability is crucial for rapid repositioning and escaping dangerous situations, keeping you out of harm's way. Strategically upgrading your weapon mods and selecting the right runes will significantly ease your journey. Focus on fully upgrading weapon mods that you use most frequently, like the heavy cannon's micro missiles. Choose runes that enhance your preferred combat style, such as those that increase glory kill speed or extend invincibility frames. Practice using the Super Shotgun's meat hook. It's excellent for both mobility and dealing high damage up close.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.